Good morning, Eicher's class.
Good morning.
Today we finished converting fractions and decimals using place value. Can you convert between fractions and decimals?
Yes.
Sure can. Fraction. Lives between 0 and 1. Division problem. Part of a whole. Less than 1.
Yes.
Decimal. What is it? Are they the same thing?
Yes.
Therefore, we can convert between them. We can convert between them, yes. Convert means to change, yes?
Yes.
All right, if you have a power of 10, this is a review. If we're multiplying by a power of 10, is this a power of 10?
Yes.
Is this a power of 10?
Yes.
Is this a power of 10?
Yes.
So is this a power of 10?
Yes.
Yeah. If you're multiplying by a power of 10, we simply do what? Bunny hop which way? To the right. So how many zeros do you see here?
1.
So we bunny hop to the right one spot, right?
Yes.
How many zeros do you see here?
3.
So we bunny hop to the right 3 times, right?
Yes.
However, division actually works with bunny hops as well if we are dealing with powers of 10. But instead of bunny hopping to the right, in division we bunny hop to the
Left.
So there's 1 0. It's division, so we bunny hop to the left, yes?
Yes.
How many zeros are in 10 to the power of 3?
3.
So we bunny hop to the left 3 times because it's a division problem, right?
Yes.
All right, good. You're doing great. Writing decimals, you can write decimals with the 0 in front or without the 0 in front, right?
Yes.
Gotta reverse that. Converting from a fraction to a decimal. Everybody, on the count of 3, say this decimal. Say this fraction on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
3 tenths.
On the count of 3, say this decimal. 1, 2, 3.
3 tenths.
So if the fraction has a power of 10 as the denominator, is the decimal and fraction going to sound the exact same?
Yes.
Say this fraction. 1, 2, 3.
900.
Say this decimal on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
900.
So again, if the denominator is a power of 10, you just simply say the decimal the same way, yes? Everybody, on the count of 3, say this mixed number. 1, 2, 3. 2 and 1 tenth. It'd be great if you said it together. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3.
2 and 1 tenths.
Still wasn't together, but okay. 2 and 1 tenths. On the count of 3, say this decimal. 1, 2, 3.
2 and 1 tenths.
So they sound the exact same because, again, the fraction has a power of 10 as a denominator, right?
Yes.
Last one, converting from a decimal to a fraction. Everyone, say this decimal on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
21.
Say again. Say this fraction. Say this decimal on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
4,000.
So the 4 is in the thousands place, so it's 4 thousandths, right?
Yes.
Say the fraction form of that. Oh my golly. So if you can say the decimal of any number that exists anywhere, you can also say the fraction.
Yes.
I'm not going to talk about this one, but remember this one proves why fractions are equivalent in many, many different ways. We good?